everyone, it's Miss Dome, and I am here to talk to you a little bit about a application I found called Piktochart. But first I want to talk to you a little bit about STEAM, which is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. At our school we've been doing a lot of STEM projects, STEM activities. I'm not really involved with those because that's more in the science and technology department and math department, but we do a lot of school-wide activities, and our kids are really great at these. And as a school level, we have adapted STEAM instead of STEM, which is science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics. And I think this is very important because it gives students the opportunity to use their creativity to communicate their ideas a little bit better when we incorporate the arts, the visual, digital art, visual art, musical art, whatever type of creative arts into the STEM platform. Research has shown that left brain people are often logical. They analyze facts. They're good at computation, sequencing, while the right brain person is more emotional. They use more visual aspects, rhythm, and imagination. So on the left is where we get our students that are very STEM oriented, science, technology, engineering, mathematics. And on the right with our STEAM, we have our more artistic students. So bringing them together in STEAM definitely helps them communicate their ideas a little better. And I'm going to give you an example of this. In my economics class, we had a project called Scarcity Island, where the kids were on an island, deserted, and they had to create a map of the island they were on. They all did a great job. This is one of our maps. Now, these students in this group were all left brain students. Logical. They had their legend. They had their compass. They used a topography type map. When they gave their presentation, they were very articulate about their map. However, you can see the visual aspect of their map is just a little lacking. But a great job. That's how these students chose to communicate. This group did not have any student that really has a strong right brain. They're all the kids that are the tech students. I'm going to give you an example of another group's activity that had a blend of your science, technology, engineering, math students, and some very artistic students. You can't tell it here, but this is a 3D model of their island. It has a lot of color. Their legend has a lot of color. This is their coral reef that they put in, and you can see that the visual communication of their product is a lot more appealing than the other one, and that's because there was more of a balance between the left brain and the right brain in conducting this project. So now I'm going to go back to the Piktochart. This is an app that I have found that is very good in helping students, artistic students, as well as those students like myself that may not be the greatest at creating art, create something or a presentation that can be very visually enhancing while still creating their ideas. It's very easy. You go in, you start, you pick your platform. So here I picked a presentation. It's just a 2-slide presentation that I created for this. And I did a blank presentation, so I built it from up. But if I want to change the background, you just go in here and you play around with what background you think looks good. And you can change that. Then if I want to change the design component, I can make it more of a list. And I can pick from a template. And that's what I did. This one, I think I made a comparison because it has a verses in it. For the other page, I did a list, like 2 columns there. Then you can add your graphics. This is what I like about Piktochart. chart. It has so many graphics. You can just type in here what type of graphic you want and hit it. All these options. You can hit all, so that gives you your black and white ones, and then you can insert them. So see, this one I've inserted for that. The other part of this I really like is the photos. You can put in some really cool photos. So I typed in engineering for the STEM students, and I scrolled down through here and I tried to find one I really liked, and I like this robotic hand type thing, so I inserted that one. It makes it very easy to put graphics in here and to make your presentation visually appealing, but still get your facts in there as well. Text, you can pick from these little text box of how you want to put your writing in, and a lot of these, all of these are free applications. If you choose, like, you want to do advanced color screen, you have to level up and pay for your membership, but most of the things you can do here are absolutely free. Everything I've done on this presentation is free, and it's very good. Well, I think it's good for me. I'm not trying to brag on myself here, but I think it turned out pretty good. So here's another one I've worked on. I've not finished it, but it's for a course that I might be teaching in the future, and it's life skills and technology. So on this one, I actually picked a template and just have been changing it all the way through. When you get down here to 7 and 8, I haven't changed any of the writing here because I haven't got that far yet, or 6, or 5, but 1 through 4 I've got done. Or no, yes, 4 I've got done. So I've put in my own titles, pictures, and words here on that one. So Piktochart is a great app to use to help communicate your creativity and your ideas in presentations. So I hope you can use this somehow in the future.